Hello everyone, welcome to Salman's Automotive Mechanics 101. In this episode we'll be talking about the engine. The engine in the automobile is what provides the torque and the power that spins the wheels that makes the car go forward. This example I've drawn really shittily on the board is a V6 engine, which is an internal combustion engine, which is one of the three types of engine you can found on a car. There's the internal combustion engine, there's the electric engine. It's really more of a motor. And the hydrogen fuel cell. The internal combustion engine is found on most cars, with the exceptions being fully electric cars and hydrogen powered cars. Some cars run on both electric and internal combustion engines. These are called hybrid cars. This is a very crude drawing of what a cylinder will look like. In the middle you have your piston. At the top you have your inlet valve, your exhaust valve, and your spark plug and fuel injector. The way an internal combustion engine produces torque and eventually spins the wheels of your car is the piston is pushed down, which creates a turning force, and then it comes back up again. How does the engine achieve this? Well, first of all, the inlet valve is opened and the piston goes downwards. This draws in the air from the outside into the cylinder. Next, the fuel injector injects the diesel or petrol into the mixture, so then it becomes a fuel and air mixture. And after this has happened, the piston will be up by now, compressing this mixture of fuel and air. Next, the spark plug produces a spark, which provides enough heat energy to make all of this mixture blow up, which forces the piston down in what's called the power stroke. It's a very forceful blast downwards, and as it turns around, as it goes down, when it reaches the bottom, it turns the shaft around and then goes back up, where it pushes the leftover exhaust gases out this way. Once the exhaust, these steps can be categorized into 4 strokes. The intake stroke is where the intake valve opens and lets air in. The compression stroke is after the fuel injector has injected the fuel and the cylinder has gone upwards to compress it all. The power stroke is when the spark is created and forces the piston downwards, and the exhaust stroke is when the piston comes back up again for the final time to push out the exhaust gases. If you would imagine a line of cylinders which fire in a different firing order, then it can have a constant supply of torque to the shaft, which can transfer it to the wheels. If we label each cylinder with a number, then the order for firing usually goes 1, 3, 4, 2. So that the firing order means this 1, 3, 4, 2 is the order they will have their power stroke. This provides this provided a constant flow of torque to the wheels and the shaft, and is more. Some advantages of using an internal combustion engine are it's a reliable way to provide a good amount of torque, and it can all happen in a relatively small form factor, so maybe that's it. And the disadvantages are that the exhaust gases created can be harmful, and you will always need fuel. Thank you for watching.